25. Now we are doing 25. Question number 25. Now ready. Balance sheet of PQR as at 31st March 2020, who were sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:1 was given. Bills payable is given, loan from bank, general reserve and capital account is given. Cash at bank, stock, debtors, provision, building, plant and machinery is given. The partners dissolved the business. Assets realized, stock, debtors 50%, fixed assets 10% less than book value. Bills payable were settled for rupees 32,000. There was an outstanding bill of electricity 800 which was paid. Realization expenses 1250 were paid, also paid. Prepare realization, partners capital and bank account. Okay dear children. So let's start. Question number 25. What we do? First we transfer all assets. So to sundry assets. Okay. So how much stock is given? 19,000. Debtors 42,000. Okay. Then building 40,000. Plant and machinery 40,000. So all points are over in asset side. So let's do the total. 40 plus 40 plus 40, 120, 120 plus 20, 140, 1,41,000. Okay, dear children. Am I correct? I hope I am correct. Let's transfer liabilities by sundry liabilities. So liabilities will be transferred here from the balance sheet, like bills payable 40,000. And then loan from bank 30,000. Okay. Some internal arrangement will also be transferred, like provision for doubtful debts 2,000. 40 plus 30, 70, 70 plus 2, 72,000. Okay, now let's see what is given in adjustment. The partners dissolved the business, assets realized. Here it is mentioned cash at bank, so we open bank account. Okay, dear children. So bank assets realized, so we write by bank account. Assets stock 23,400. Fine. Debtors 50%. So debtors are 42,000. It means 21,000 is received. 21,000. Fixed assets 10% less than their book value. So fixed assets are building and plant and machinery 10% less. So building 10% means 4,000. It means 36,000 is received from building and also from plant and machinery. 36,000. Okay. There was an outstanding bill of electricity 800 which was paid. Realization expenses 1250 were also paid. Okay. So liabilities are paid in the debit side to bank. Outstanding bill of electricity 800. Outstanding electric bill 800. Realization expenses 1250. 1,250 is paid. In 32, 1250, 30,800, 64,050. I hope it is correct. For asset side, for asset realization, the total is 23,400, 21,000, 36 and 36, 72. So 1,16,400. Okay. Then let's see what is the total. 1,41 and 164,050. 1,41 plus 16, 2,05,050. Yes. 2,05,050. Debit side is looking more, isn't it? So it means loss will come in remaining in credit side by loss transfer to partners capital account. The name of partners are PQR, P, Q and R in their ratio 531. 531. So we distribute in 5 plus 3 plus 1. So the balance will be 2,550 minus 1,61,400 minus 72,000. It will be 16,650. 16,650. Okay. Now let's divide in the ratio 5 plus 3 plus 1 9. 16,650 divided by 9. It is 1850. 1850 into 3 is 5,550. 1850 into 5, 9,250. So children, I hope the realization account is clear to everyone. Okay, let's prepare partners capital account. Partners capital account starts from credit side. PQR 44 36 20 by balance brought down 44,000, 36,000 and 20,000. Okay, now let's see in balance sheet. General reserve is given 5,000, 3,000 and 1,000. Okay, then loss is there. How much loss is there? 9,250. Yes, to realization 9,250, 5,550 and 1,850. Okay, in this question in realization account, partner has not paid or not taken anything, so nothing will come. Now let us do the total. 20 plus 1 21,000, 36 plus 3 39,000, 44 plus 5 49,000, and let's take out the balance. 49,000, 39,000 and 21,000. Okay, transfer to bank account. The balance is transferred to bank account. Let's calculate 49,000 minus 9,250, 39,750. 39,000 minus 5,000, then minus 550, 33,450. Okay, then 21,000 minus 1,850, 19,150. So these balancing figure will be transferred to bank account. And now we will prepare bank account. Okay, bank account starts from debit side. Cash at bank is given 40,000. So to balance brought down 40,000. Let's start with realization account debit side. To bank is mentioned 64,050. It will come in credit side. by realization. $64,050. Okay. Then let's see realization account debit side, credit side. 1,16,400 is mentioned. So we write 1,16,400 to realization account. 1,16,400. Now let's see in capital account, isn't it? Balances is given. Piece capital by piece capital 39,750, 39,750 by Q's capital 33,450, 33,450 by R's capital 19,150, 19,150. Now let us do the total of both the sides. Total must be equal 1,16 plus 40, 1,56,400. Okay. Here also let me check just one minute. 6450, 39,750 plus 33,450 plus 19,150. Yes, 1,56,400. I hope the question is clear to everyone. Yes, dear children. Thank you.